How proficient are you at managing your work effectively? Do you wish to enhance these skills? In today's fast-paced world, mastering work management skills is not just an option, but a necessity. It's the secret sauce to boosting productivity, reducing stress, and achieving success in your professional life. In this video, we'll delve into practical tips and strategies to improve your work management skills. We'll talk about setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, creating effective to-do lists, and managing your time efficiently. We'll also discuss the importance of limiting multitasking, using technology wisely, delegating responsibilities, eliminating distractions, and taking regular breaks. Additionally, we'll touch on the significance of continuous learning, practicing self-care, seeking feedback, and celebrating achievements. And lastly, we'll highlight the need to reflect, adapt, and improve your work management strategies continuously. If you're ready to take your work management skills to the next level, then let's dive in. The first step to improving your work management is setting clear goals. Now, let's dive into what this means. Goals give us direction. They provide a destination for our efforts. But how do we set them effectively? Start by defining your short-term and long-term objectives. Your short-term goals could be tasks you want to complete by the end of the week or the month. Long-term goals, on the other hand, could span over several months, even years. They represent the bigger picture of where you want to be. Once you have these goals set, they become your guiding light. They help you prioritize tasks and maintain focus, preventing you from being sidetracked by less important tasks. You see, when you know where you are headed, you can make better decisions on what steps to take next. So, take a moment, define your goals, and write them down. Remember, a clear vision of your goals keeps you on track. Now that we have our goals, let's prioritize our tasks. Prioritizing tasks is like navigation. You have your destination, your goals, but how do you determine the best route to reach them? Enter the Eisenhower Matrix, a handy tool that helps us categorize tasks based on their urgency and importance. Imagine a box divided into 4 quadrants. Tasks that are both urgent and important go in the first quadrant. Those that are important but not urgent in the second, urgent but not important in the third, and neither urgent nor important in the fourth. By organizing tasks this way, you can clearly see what needs your immediate attention and what can wait. Remember, the key to effective prioritization is tackling those high-priority tasks first. It's about making smart decisions to maximize your productivity and ensure you're moving closer to your goals. Prioritizing allows you to focus on what truly matters. A simple yet effective tool for work management is a to-do list. This humble tool can be a powerhouse when you're trying to improve your work management skills. It's all about creating order from chaos and breaking down larger projects into manageable steps. Start by listing down all the tasks that need your attention. This could be a daily or weekly list depending on your work pace and demands. Once you have the list, it's time to prioritize. Identify the most critical and time-sensitive tasks and place them at the top of your list. Then comes the art of breaking down larger tasks. If there's a big project looming, don't let it intimidate you. Break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Each step should be a task on its own, something you can tackle without feeling overwhelmed. And remember, it's not just about creating the list, it's about maintaining it. Regularly update your list, cross off completed tasks, and add new ones as they come up. This will give you a clear picture of your progress and what lies ahead. Remember, a well-structured to-do list is your roadmap to success. Time is a valuable resource. Let's learn how to manage it effectively. Time management isn't just about counting the hours in the day, it's about making those hours count. It's about maximizing productivity by allocating specific time blocks to different tasks. Imagine time as a series of blocks. Each block is dedicated to a specific task or activity. This method helps to maintain focus and minimize distractions. Now, let's talk about a technique that can help you manage your time more efficiently, the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working in focused intervals, typically 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks. These intervals are known as Pomodoros. The idea is to provide a structure to your workday that balances focus and relaxation. It encourages a rhythm of productivity that can help you accomplish more in less time. So, remember, efficient time management is key to a productive workday. Make every moment count, and you'll see the difference in your output and work satisfaction. While multitasking may seem efficient, it can often lead to reduced productivity. This statement may seem counterintuitive, especially in a world that often values doing more with less. However, research has shown that multitasking can actually decrease efficiency and increase the likelihood of errors. When we multitask, we are not actually doing multiple things at once, but rather, we are rapidly switching our attention back and forth between tasks. This constant shifting can lead to something called attention residue, where part of our focus remains stuck on the previous task. This can cause both tasks to suffer and can lead to unnecessary stress and fatigue. On the other hand, when we focus on one task at a time, we can give it our full attention and ensure that it's done to the best of our ability. This method, often referred to as single tasking, can lead to increased productivity, improved quality of work, and a greater sense of accomplishment. Remember, quality work requires focused attention. In this digital age, technology can be a great ally in managing your work. It offers a myriad of tools and apps designed to streamline tasks and boost productivity. Task management apps, for instance, can assist in organizing your tasks, setting reminders and deadlines, and tracking your progress. Calendar apps can help manage your schedule, set up meetings, and block time for focused work. Then there's project management software, a comprehensive tool for collaborating with team members, sharing files, and tracking project milestones. These applications can free up mental space, allowing you to focus more on the task at hand. In addition, consider the use of automation tools to take over repetitive tasks. Email filters, social media scheduling, and automatic report generation can save valuable time. But remember, technology is a tool, not a master. It's there to assist you, not dictate your day. So use it wisely, set boundaries, and don't let it become a source of distraction. Leverage technology to stay organized and efficient. Remember, you don't have to do it all by yourself. Delegation is a crucial skill in effective work management. It's about recognizing that you're part of a team and that every team member brings unique strengths to the table. Delegating tasks is not just about offloading work onto others. It's about entrusting tasks to individuals who have the skills and capabilities to execute them efficiently. When you delegate, you free up your own time to focus on tasks that are of higher priority. This could be strategic planning, decision-making, or tasks that you are uniquely qualified to handle. Delegation also empowers your team members. It provides them with opportunities to learn, grow, and take on more responsibility. By exercising trust in your team, you foster an environment of mutual respect and collaboration. But remember, delegation is not about abdication, it's about sharing responsibility. Make sure to follow up and provide guidance when necessary. Effective delegation is key to a balanced workload. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. Whether it's the constant ping of notifications, the lure of social media, or a chatty coworker, distractions can significantly hamper our ability to focus and get things done. So, how can we eliminate these productivity killers? The first step is to identify what distracts you. Is it noise? Use noise-canceling headphones or create a playlist of ambient sounds to boost your concentration. Is it digital disturbances like emails or social media notifications? Try turning off notifications or designating specific times to check your inbox. Limiting the number of open tabs on your computer can also help to reduce visual clutter and maintain focus. If your workspace is noisy or chaotic, seek out a quieter place where you can work undisturbed. Remember, Eliminating distractions isn't about creating a sterile, joyless work environment. It's about crafting a space where your mind can focus and your creativity can flourish. A distraction-free environment fosters productivity. Taking breaks isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. You might think that working non-stop will get you to the finish line faster, but in reality, it's like running a marathon without taking a single breather. It's counterproductive and can lead to burnout. Incorporating regular, short breaks into your workday can have a profound impact on your productivity and creativity. Think of it as hitting the refresh button on your brain. These pauses give your mind a chance to rest, to process and consolidate information, and to prepare for the next round of focused work. Breaks also help in maintaining a high level of performance throughout the day. They can rejuvenate your energy, boost your mood, and even spark creativity. You might stumble upon a brilliant idea during a coffee break or solve a complex problem while stretching your legs. So don't feel guilty about taking a break. You're not slacking off. You're investing in your productivity and creativity. Remember, breaks are your chance to recharge and refocus. Improvement comes from reflection and adaptation. A key to effective work management is the continuous evaluation of your strategies. It's essential to take a step back periodically to examine the methods you're using. Are they serving you well, or are they causing more stress than they're worth? Remember, it's okay to change your approach. If a certain technique isn't working for you, don't be afraid to discard it and try something new. You might find that a different strategy suits you better, or that tweaking an existing one can make a world of difference. This process of reflection and adaptation is not a sign of failure, but rather it's an indicator of growth. It shows that you're learning, evolving, and striving to become more efficient at managing your work. It's all about finding what works best for you and being flexible enough to adapt when necessary. Always strive for improvement, not perfection. Scene script. Improving work management skills is a continuous journey. We've covered a lot of ground today, from setting clear goals and prioritizing tasks to harnessing technology and learning to say no. Each of these steps is crucial in enhancing your productivity and reducing workplace stress. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. You might find the Eisenhower matrix helpful for prioritizing tasks, or you might prefer the Pomodoro technique for managing your time. You could benefit from productivity apps, or perhaps you work best with a simple handwritten to-do list. Whatever your preferences, the key is to stay adaptable. Regularly reflect on your strategies, seek feedback, and be ready to make changes as needed. Practice self-care, celebrate your achievements, and never stop learning. Remember, effective work management leads to increased productivity and reduced stress. Start your journey to better work management today.